Hi parents and students. Welcome to the Bhanzu student dashboard demonstration. To access this dashboard, enter your login credentials that include your registered email ID and the chosen password. This is where you'll reach after logging in. Let's see what we have here. You can see 3 tabs on the extreme left panel: Dashboard, My Course and Help. By default, you'll be on the dashboard homepage. You can see your child's name here. Right below it, you will find all the session details, date and time along with the Join Session button, which will get active 15 minutes before your session begins. Next, you can also get all the module details in My Modules section. You can select View All to check all the module details. You can also see all the recent worksheets related to your current module, which can be accessed directly by clicking on them. On scrolling down even further, you will find all your relevant session recordings as per your current module. You can check them out to refresh your learnings in case you missed any sessions. If you go to the extreme right side panel, you can check your course status report with all the relevant details. Click on the My Courses tab to see all the module topics locked and unlocked for you based on the course you've opted for. On clicking any of the unlocked modules, you will reach this page with all the session recordings and worksheets module-wise. For the worksheets, you can download the questions document and answer key separately. You can also get the related session recordings in case you want to go back for a quick revision. Now, let's head on to the Help tab. The Help tab allows you to raise your query directly via the dashboard, so no more trouble reaching out to us. Also, click on your avatar to check out the profile information. I hope this demonstration was useful, and with the student dashboard in place, your math learning experience with Bhanzu will become even more amazing. Happy learning!